river. First sight of the river is always good. Look at that, that's nice, that's a good flow. We finally got to the river. This is exciting. I know the water level's high, but I'm not sure. I don't think we're at flood stage. It looks like the current's perfect. I think it's gonna be fast. Beautiful area, my goodness. This is the river and this is where we're gonna put in. We went quite a ways down that way. The road was rocky and it turned out that we'd have to carry our stuff about a quarter mile to get to the water. Here's a lot better. But it's moving pretty fast. We got some good current running down through here. This is all new water for me. I love the desert rivers. They get me excited. Got really cold last night. I had a thick sheet and a decent sleeping bag. I got up in the middle of the night and I was cold. And I was thankful I brought that second sleeping bag because I put that on and I warmed right up. It's a beautiful morning, not a cloud in the sky. And we got a river today. Wonderful river. This is the Malhuer River. And I've got an inflatable kayak. My buddy's got a canoe. And we're gonna put in and float this. It's about a 15-mile trip. I've never done it. My buddy's never done it. I searched the internet over a period of a few years and I never found anything on it. Finally, I just decided to start making calls. So I called the Vale BLM district office and she didn't know anything. So she sent me to somebody else, who sent me to somebody else, who sent me to somebody else. And eventually, on the 8th call, I got a hold of a fish and game guy that's actually floated this. He's done it every year for years. They do chucker counts, he and a buddy. And what makes it interesting for us is that even though he's done it so much and we got some information, he's only done it about 300 CFS, which is not a lot of flow. Right now it's at 11. He has no idea what it's going to be like with this kind of flow. Neither do we. We don't even know the river. So that's the added excitement. I love doing new water, and I like doing desert water. And I have no idea why this isn't on the radar. But we haven't finished yet. Maybe when we're done, I will swear to never come back. I've had a couple of rivers like that. One of them, I've even gone back. I swore again that I wouldn't go back. There's snow on the hills. There's a cemetery to the right of that tree. White stones at the base of that hill. I'm gonna head back to the tent and start packing up. We're at the campground where we're gonna put in, and there's your outhouse. But I think this is really funny. Look at this right here. Notice, the restroom is not cleaned daily, but then look at this. Practice social distancing of at least 6 feet. Wear a cloth face covering where social distancing is difficult. Wash your hands with soap and water. Cover your mouth when you cough. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Most importantly, stay home if you feel sick. This is crazy. Okay, we're about 10 minutes before we get in. Got the wetsuit on, life jacket, splash jacket, got the water shoes, and that's what we got going. Steve's gonna be in the canoe, I'm gonna be in the inflatable kayak. We got some good current running down there. This is the walk down to the river. It's time. A little riffly, splashy. Wow, look how high the water was a while back. It's probably a good 3 feet higher than it is now. Well, the river got pinched between the little island and this tree. And since we can't see the entirety of the run, we're gonna go look at it.
Hug the right side.
Hug the... Well, the right side doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna just come down here.
On this left side.
Yeah, just to the right of the...
Yeah, I think we just stay just outside of the trees on this side.
Yeah, and then cut around that, and then...
Yeah.
Or even if you had to cut through that, you're not gonna get hurt.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm gonna stay out and... Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, I think hugging this side is good.
Didn't look bad. Stay to the right of the trees on the side. You don't need to get a lot of speed going into this stuff. There's a log or something right here. Yeah, that's a rock. A couple of rocks. Yeah, this isn't going to be the breeze we're kind of led to believe, but yeah, this is... Okay, I want to get over as fast as I can. Okay, good. I want to get over. This is so good. I don't think you can beat this. Going down a beautiful scenic river. No road. There's an abandoned railroad that follows. We'll be going under trestles. This is a wild river. Amazing river. Some kind of pipe. Where are we going next? Now, go on. There's a way to walk. I just need to walk out and come here. The railroad bridge off that way, but we were going under it and started hearing some water noise. It usually means the current picks up, but this is what we got. Looks like there's something in the middle. Are you going to come left here, or are you going to try to hit that center slot?
Well, it looks good to go down the center, but
then it lines up to that snag there.
I'm thinking,
Oh, I can run right here. But yeah, anything, as long as you avoid those pillows.
yeah. So we've gone.
Oh, look at this. We're going into a canyon. Okay, we got some rapids up ahead. And trying to figure out, I think I could just jump it in the center and ride it out.